Hello, welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss about types of attributes. Before knowing the types, let us understand what are attributes. Columns of dataset are called attributes which represents the characteristics of a data object. What is data object? Rows of dataset are called data objects. For example, in this house price dataset, each row is a data object and all the columns are representing the characteristics of the house object. And the other names of attributes. Data scientists and database professionals call it as attributes. Data warehousing, it is termed as dimension. In machine learning, we use the term feature. In statistics, they call it as variables, but all are representing the columns of a dataset. Attributes are divided into qualitative and quantitative attributes. Qualitative attributes are categorical and discrete variables, and they are divided into nominal and ordinal variables. Quantitative attributes are numeric and continuous. Numeric attributes are again divided into interval scaled and ratio scaled attributes. Let us first understand all these attributes one by one and come back to this slide. Let's start with nominal attributes. What are nominal attributes? The values are symbols or names of things. It represents category, code, or state, referred as categorical. Do not have any meaningful order. For example, hair color, marital status, and occupation are three attributes that is describing some person objects. What are the possible values hair color may have? Hair color is having the categories black, brown, blonde, red, gray, and so on. Marital status may have the state, single, married, divorced, and widowed. Occupation may have teacher, dentist, programmer, farmer, and so on. All the three are nominal attributes. The values of nominal attributes can also be represented with numbers. For hair color, assign a code of 0 for black, 1 for brown, and so on. But the numbers are not intended to be used quantitatively. The value will describe only the quality of the attribute. Customer ID is also an example for nominal attribute. It makes no sense to subtract one customer ID from another. Now, binary attributes. Binary attribute is also a nominal attribute. Here, the categories are only two, 0 or 1. Binary attribute may be called as symmetric binary attribute or asymmetric binary attribute. In symmetric binary attribute, both the values are equally important. For example, the attribute gender of a person object. Here, male and female values are equally important. In asymmetric binary attribute, both the values are not equally important. For example, the test result for patient object. Usually, we give much importance to the positive value. So, we take positive value as 1 and negative as 0. Boolean attributes. Binary attributes are referred to as Boolean attributes if the two values are 0 and false. For example, attribute smoker describing a patient object. Here, 1 indicates that the patient smokes and 0 indicates that the patient does not smoke. Ordinal attributes. What are ordinal attributes? The values of ordinal attributes have a meaningful order or ranking. For example, socio-economic status. It can be referred as low income, middle income, and high income. Education level, high school, BS, MS, PhD. Income level may be less than 50k, 50K to 100, over 100K. And when you take a customer satisfaction, it may have the following ordinal categories: 0 as very dissatisfied, 1 as somewhat dissatisfied, 2 as neutral, 3 as satisfied, and 4 very satisfied. Here, in all these examples, the value is having either a meaningful order or ranking between them. Now, numeric attributes. One of the numeric attributes is interval scaled attributes. What are interval scaled attributes? It is a measurable quantity. All the qualitative attributes are not measurable. They describe only the quality of the attribute. Here, in quantitative attribute, it is a measurable quantity represented in integer or real values. The values can be ordered and can be positive, 0, or negative. In addition to providing a ranking of values, it allows us to compare and quantify the difference between values. For example, the temperature attribute for a number of different days where each day is an object. By ordering these values of temperature, we obtain a ranking of object with respect to temperature. We can also quantify the difference between values of temperature for different days. Calendar dates is also another example. Though we can compute the difference between values of interval scaled attributes, we cannot take off one value as being a multiple of another. There is no true 0 point for calendar days, which means the year 0 is not the beginning of time. We cannot speak the values in terms of ratios. This brings us to ratio scaled attributes for which a true 0 point exists. Next, ratio scaled attributes. What are ratio scaled attributes? It is also a measurable quantity. It has 0 point. That is, if a measurement is ratio scaled, we can speak of value as being a multiple or ratio of another value. The values are ordered and we can also compute the difference between values. For example, count attributes such as number of years of experience in an employee object and number of words in documents object, and also the attributes to measure weight, height, latitude and longitude coordinates. All these can be expressed as ratio between different values. For example, with an amount attribute, we can say you are 100 times richer with $100 than with $1. Now, coming back to the slide. Now we can clearly understand nominal and ordinal attributes all having a range of values and called as discrete or categorical variables and are qualitative. Interval scaled and ratio scaled attributes are having continuous numeric values and are called quantitative. In this video, we thoroughly understand the attribute types and the possible values with examples. In next video, we discuss how to measure the central tendencies of these attributes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. If you like the content, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.